Are soybean markets impacted by biofuel regulations? Breaking news for investors in commodities. The question on many minds today is whether soybean markets are affected by biofuel regulations. With recent developments, this topic is more relevant than ever. If you are tracking agricultural investments or simply curious about market trends, you are in the right place. Yes, soybean markets are influenced by biofuel regulations. Soybeans are a primary source of soybean oil, which is widely used in biodiesel production. Changes in biofuel policies can significantly affect demand for soybean oil. This, in turn, impacts soybean processing volumes and prices. Earlier this week, the United States Environmental Protection Agency proposed a 15% increase in biomass-based diesel volumes for the years 2026 to 2027. This proposal has already led to a 17% rise in soybean oil futures prices. The increased demand driven by biofuel mandates is a significant factor in this price surge. Additionally, the United States Department of Agriculture raised soybean crush estimates for the 2025 to 2026 marketing year by 50 million bushels. This adjustment follows the Environmental Protection Agency's biofuel volume proposals. It suggests that regulatory support for biofuels encourages higher processing of soybeans into oil for fuel production. Globally, there is a rising domestic demand for soybean oil as a biofuel feedstock. This trend is driving increased soybean crushing in major producers like the United States and Brazil. Consequently, we are seeing higher export supplies of soybean meal as a byproduct. The growth of the biofuel sector also incentivizes innovation in soybean production. As Brazil expands its output, it affects global supply dynamics and the market share of the United States. Industry collaborations and advancements in renewable fuel content standards are further boosting demand for bio-based oils, including soybean oil. For investors in commodities, these regulatory trends indicate that biofuel policies are a significant demand driver for soybeans. Monitoring changes in biofuel mandates, Environmental Protection Agency rulings, and international biofuel initiatives can provide valuable signals for soybean market movements. Keep an eye on these developments to make informed investment decisions in the soybean market.